Ganito, Fritz, ganito gawin nyo, ganito. Dapat, ang pipila lang dyan, dalawa or ilan lang, bigyan nyo ng space yung ibang tao kung pipila lang. Kasi ang ginagawa nyo, lahat kayo nakapila, kaya wala silang space para pumila. Wala nang karamoy. Kaya ka naman gagawin, isa lang or dalawa.
Mabuhay! Kamusta? Kami nga po pala ang Yums 11 Biyak na Bato at ngayon po ay meron kaming isasagawang isang social experiment. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make this right. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Life's gonna come.
Kasing gulo ng relasyon nyo.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Bes, ayusin mo. Mahalata tayo eh.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
Uy, bibili na yan. Pila na.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Fritz. Ganda.
Enebe, char. Darren, enge.
No ginagawa mo? E di itapon. O di ba?